I like to type out or write down whenever I have an assignment due, so I don't find myself getting surprised by due dates creeping up sooner than I expected. I take advantage of any burst of academic motivation that I get throughout the day, and I usually set aside time for myself to study in a quiet space. I try to space out my workload, and I avoid cramming for assignments and exams in the last minute.
In the beginning of each semester, I create an overview of all my modules and fill in all the assignment deadlines as soon as I know them. I also write them into my weekly student calendar, so I'm reminded when they come up. This helps me stay organized throughout the semester and keep on track. Otherwise, I will probably forget half of them. When the time comes to actually write an essay, I divide the overwhelming task into many different sub-steps: reading the assigned text, researching the topic, making an outline, writing the essay, doing the references, and proofread. I also try to have the essay done a bit before the deadline, so friends can read over them and give me feedback. However, I'm not always on top of that, but it is a good goal to have.